Okay, so who has not downloaded the MetaMask? Well, Amiru made a lot of money in crypto. So Amiru, when are you inviting us to your house? For housewarming?
8 months and can get the house lah.
8
They
months.
ask for extension.
Okay.
End of next year.
All right. Then why are you doing housekeeping now?
Supposed to do just now, but today we went for breakfast and then somehow came back with payment of the house.
Wow.
Agent say, hey, got house viewing, you want to go or not? So we go. Then we really like the house, so there and then we put down payment.
Wow, so solid, huh? You go out for breakfast, you come back with a house.
Yeah, that's like.
I also want. What kind of breakfast do you eat?
Nasi Padang ni.
Oh, eat nasi padang and come back with a house. I also want to eat nasi padang next time. Okay, so who has not downloaded the MetaMask? So everyone have MetaMask. Okay, that's good. Okay, can you all see my screen? Can. Okay. So do you have this fox over here on your Chrome browser?
Yeah.
Who don't have this little fox over here? Who don't have or who don't know how to put the fox here? Nobody answer. So it means all have lah. All have. Yes, okay, that's good. Okay, so for those people who are gonna watch the video later, or tomorrow, if you don't have this fox over here, okay, very simple. First of all, you are supposed to download the extension. Okay, then after that, you see this what looks like a jigsaw puzzle icon over here. Okay, so after you have downloaded the extension, okay, come over here, click it, this menu will appear. Okay, and then go and search for MetaMask, and then pin it. Okay, right. Initially it'll be blank. Okay, so you need to pin it. Then it will be here. Okay, right. So that is how you add your MetaMask to your Chrome browser. Okay. So basically, so what is MetaMask? Anybody can answer.
I think you can buy coins on decentralized exchanges, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yeah. So CC, when anyone hardworking, go and do some research. Then Google what is MetaMask.
Link to NFT.
Okay, basically it is a software, right? It's a digital wallet. It's a software that links to your that links to blockchains. Okay, that links to Ethereum blockchain, Polygon blockchain, Binance Smart Chain. Okay, it allows you to access your tokens, your coins that are stored in the blockchain. All right. Okay, your coins are not stored in MetaMask at all. Okay, it is stored in the blockchain. Okay, MetaMask is just like it's just a software that allows you to gain access to your coins in the blockchain. Okay. So which means it is pretty safe as long as you don't let people know your password and your private key. Okay, if nobody knows your password and private key, technically speaking, they will not be able to gain access to your MetaMask and thereby gain access to your tokens in your wallet. Sorry, in the blockchain. Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the safest. Okay, your nano wallet, okay, your hard wallet would be a 9. Okay, MetaMask will be a 7. Okay, then Binance will be a 5. Then all the rest of the exchanges out there will be below 5. Okay, just to give an idea how safe or how unsafe MetaMask is, depending on how you see it. Okay, so for those of you who don't want to buy the nano wallet, the nano hard wallet, for whatever reasons, I suggest you get MetaMask, no matter what, and learn how to use it. Okay, right. So for those of you who installed MetaMask, okay, wait, guys, can you open your MetaMask? Mine is a bit slow, so slow. Can you see my MetaMask? Finally, it open. Cannot.
Can.
Can, right? You can see my MetaMask just open on my browser. Can
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, for your for first timers, when you install MetaMask, okay, you will only have the Ethereum network over here. Okay, you won't see the other network, the other blockchains like Polygon, like FTM, Aurora, Phantom, Polygon, Avalanche. Okay, you need to add them in yourselves manually. Okay, how do you add? Very simple. Just click add network. Can you see this add network over here?
Yes.
Okay, just click add. Okay, I mean, if you guys can follow me, you follow, right? You do what I do. So you will see a lot of you will see the other blockchains over here. Okay, like Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, etc., etc. Okay. So you just add those blockchains that you need to use. Okay, Ethereum, that obviously is one of them. Okay, so if you trade on Binance, you can add Binance Smart Chain. So that when you buy coins on Binance, okay, you can use the Binance Smart Chain to transfer your coins to your Metamask wallet. So the fees are cheaper as compared to using Ethereum. Okay, right. So this is how you add different blockchains. Okay, right. Can guys? Okay. So far so good. Following?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right, don't call me sir lah. No sir, no sirs here. Okay. So how to create multiple wallets? Okay, if you want to, right? You come over here, you click this colored circle. Okay, click it, and then you click create account. So when you click create account, you create a new wallet. So as you can see over here, I have multiple wallets. So of course, you can use the same wallet for multiple blockchains. It means you can use this wallet, for example, for the Ethereum blockchain, for whatever, all these blockchains, for Binance Smart Chain, okay, for Polygon, because they are all created using the Ethereum blockchain. They are all ERC20 coins, all these, okay, they are all created using the Ethereum blockchain. That's why, even though they are different blockchains, okay, Polygon is a layer 2, right? Okay, even though they are different blockchains, they can still connect to the Ethereum blockchain, right? So for example, if I change to a Polygon blockchain, okay, Polygon mainnet, you will see the wallet, although the wallet is the same, okay, the address is the same, but the tokens are different. Okay, let's say I change to Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so you can see the tokens become the tokens also change, right? If I change to Ethereum, and I see the tokens change, right? Okay, so that means all these tokens currently you see here are stored in the Ethereum blockchain. Okay. Then if I go to the Polygon mainnet, so whatever coins that are here are stored in the Polygon blockchain, even though it's the same address. You get what I'm saying? So far so good, guys. Or concussed already.
So do we need to add the different networks? Because I only have one now. Only on
It's up to you, depend on which network you want to use. Probably you guys will be using the other networks except Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Maybe you can add a Binance Smart Chain on it, right? So when you need to use the other blockchains, then you add the other blockchains. Okay, right. So this is using the same wallet address for different blockchains. Okay. But what I like to do is I like to there's no why, there's no good or bad. It's just personal preference. I like to create a different wallet address for each blockchain. That's why you see I have a lot of wallets over here. Okay, I have each wallet. I have one wallet for each blockchain. Okay, for example, this is the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, so this is my Ethereum. This is my address for my Ethereum blockchain. Okay, then if let's say I were to go to the Polygon blockchain, right, you can see there's nothing here. Okay, because I have created a separate address, separate wallet address for my Polygon blockchain. Okay, so these are the coins that are stored in my Polygon blockchain. Okay. So in other words, let's say I want to okay, Matic is Polygon. So let's say I have Matic. Okay, I bought Matic from somewhere lah. Okay, I want to keep Matic in the blockchain, in the Polygon blockchain. So I will send it to this wallet address instead of the Ethereum blockchain wallet address. You get what I'm saying? Okay. Or if I have any coins that are built under the Polygon ecosystem, I will send them all to the Polygon blockchain. Okay, to this address. Then for Binance, I would create another one. So you can see if I change to the Binance network, okay, you won't see any coins here because this wallet address is for Polygon. So I will go to my BSC. Okay, then you will see the coins over here that is inside this wallet that is linked to the Binance smart chain. Okay, so this wallet is created strictly for participating in initial offerings. So I have different wallets for different purposes. I find that this works for me. You get what I'm saying? Okay, some people like to use only one wallet for all the blockchains. Okay, some like me, you like things categorized or systematic or whatever you want to call it. Okay, that's what I do. So that's how Ethereum, I mean, that's how MetaMask, okay, can work for you. Okay, you want to create wallets, come over here, create account. Okay, or if you have other wallets outside, okay, you can import it into MetaMask as long as they fall into these blockchains. So you may have another wallet created somewhere else that uses Ethereum. Okay, for example, okay, you can import it into your MetaMask, so everything stays in one place. Okay, right? Any questions? Oh yeah, and another thing that I did just now was I created another wallet, okay, for Gemini. Okay, for me to transfer coins from Gemini to my Ethereum wallet, to my Ethereum blockchain. Because Gemini, most of the coins over there, they only use the Ethereum network. So how do you create a wallet address for individual blockchains? Very simple. You just go to the blockchain, right? Let's say you want to create one for Binance. Okay, you go to Binance Smart Chain, right? Then just click this, click create account, and then put whatever here lah. Okay, let's say you bought coins from Binance, right? You want to transfer to your MetaMask. So maybe you can put something, you can put Binance over here. You get what I mean? Or transferred from Binance or whatever. Okay, and then click create. So you know what that wallet is for, or what the wallet is used for. Okay, so that's how you use MetaMask. That's how I use MetaMask to store my coins, some of my coins on the blockchain. Okay, then another and okay, wait, before I go to that, any questions regarding how to use MetaMask, how to create wallets, blah 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 blah.
Kelvin, Suzu here. I just joined. This MetaMask is like a wallet online, is it?
It's a digital wallet.
Okay.
As I said earlier, it's actually a software that connects you to the blockchain. Your coin,
Okay, but then the Qcoin all that cannot connect to here, is it?
no,
Oh,
transfer the coins to here.
oh, I see. Okay.
Okay, as I mentioned earlier, your coins are not stored in MetaMask. They are actually stored on the blockchain. Okay, MetaMask is just a software to connect you to your coins in the blockchain. You get what I'm saying?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let me show you, for example. Okay, if you come over here, you click this, okay, view account in Explorer. Okay, this will bring you to the Binance Smart Chain blockchain. Okay, this is the address, the wallet address. Okay, which is this address over here. Okay, so in this wallet, or in the Binance Smart Chain, in this wallet, okay, this is a Binance Smart Chain wallet. Okay, these are what I have inside lah. All this, right? All these coins, okay, which is exactly as what is shown here, right? And you can actually, I mean, with my wallet address, you can actually see how what I have inside, how much I have. Okay, that's the beauty about blockchain. Okay, everything is transparent. You can see all the transactions that have taken place in this particular wallet since day one when it was created, almost a year back. Okay, right, internal transactions, whatever, you know. Okay, don't ask me what all these numbers are. Yeah, I don't know the details, right? All I know is this is the blockchain. Okay, you can come in here and see all my transactions done. Okay, in, out, when, okay, how many days ago. It doesn't give you the date, but it gives you the number of days ago. Okay, right. And what did I transfer in and out into this wallet? Okay, through the Binance Smart Chain.
But you need to have a Binance account, right?
No, you don't need to have a Binance. Okay, you don't need to have a Binance account, just like an Ethereum blockchain. You don't need to have an Ethereum account. You know, in fact, that's okay. Same thing. Now I switch to my Ethereum blockchain. Okay, my Ethereum wallet will be this. Okay, so if you want to see what is inside my wallet, or if you have the FTX wallet address, okay, you can actually go and see what they have inside. You know, whether they transferred anything out of that wallet or whether they transfer anything into the wallet. Okay, everything is fully transparent. Okay.
I see. Okay.
So this is, so now you see this is Ether scan. This is BSC scan. Okay. if you look at the interface, is pretty similar, right? You see, it's practically a copycat. Just that this is different. This part is different, and the rest, all these are the same, because Binance is built on top of Ethereum.
I see. Okay.
Okay, even though it's a layer 1, okay, it's still an ERC20 coin, which is that means it's a coin that is built from the Ethereum programming language. Okay, I won't go into the details lah. Okay, so this is, well, so basically this is the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, this is my Binance Smart Chain wallet address. Okay, this is the Ethereum blockchain. This is my Ethereum blockchain wallet. Okay, so this is what I have inside currently. Okay, right, and okay, these are the transactions that has taken place since 1,439 days ago, which I don't know how many years that is. 3, 6, 9, 12, 4 years back. Yeah,
Wow.
this was the very first decentralized, so-called decentralized wallet that I created. Because at the time there was only Ethereum. There's no Binance Smart Chain, whatever, Polygon, what have you today, right?
Okay. So this is like your main bank account like that in a way lah. Then you store different currencies kind
Yeah,
of.
you can say that this is like your main, this is like your bank account lah, you know. So
Okay.
all these are like your different banks. This is like maybe a UOB. Okay, this is your UOB account number. This is like DBS. This is like your DBS account number.
Okay. Understand.
Yeah. Okay. So each of these like I said, each of these blockchains, they have their own so-called website like this, right? Where everything is transparent. So your coins are actually stored on the blockchain. Here. It's stored here. It's not stored on Metamask. Metamask is just a software to connect you to the blockchain so you can gain access to all these coins. All right. Just like your Nano wallet. Okay, your hardware wallet is also like a Metamask, just that it is physical. That's why we call it a hardware wallet. Okay. Metamask is a digital wallet. So being digital, there's still a chance to be hacked. That's why it's 7, the safety level. I give it a 7. I don't give it a 9. Okay, right. So I hope I explained I explained it in a way that you guys understand what MetaMask is now. Okay, so besides helping you to so-called store your coins, okay, you can also connect MetaMask to decentralized exchanges to trade. For example, okay, this decentralized exchange called DYDX. This is a decentralized perpetual exchange. Okay, which means we can trade perpetual futures on DYDX. And this is the #1 decentralized perpetual futures website out there currently. Okay, it's built DYDX, if I'm not wrong, is built under Polygon. Okay, so how do you trade on a decentralized exchange? Very simple. Okay, obviously you need a MetaMask. You need a wallet like MetaMask to connect you to the exchange. That means you don't store your money or your coins in the exchange at all. Okay, everything is stored in your MetaMask. So which means if the exchange were to collapse, okay, your funds are safe in MetaMask. You get what I'm saying?
Okay.
Okay, so I've connected my Ethereum wallet. Well, if you remember, my Ethereum wallet is a cafe. Anyway, I didn't choose the address. It was just randomly given to me. Okay, So this is my Ethereum wallet. I just connected it to DYDX. Right? I haven't traded on DYDX before, so I haven't figured out how to trade. Okay, but basically that's what the MetaMask wallet can do besides storing coins for you. Okay, I go to this. Okay, I have bought tokens here before. Okay, Kyber Swap. Okay, Kyber Swap is also a decentralized exchange. Okay, it's also built under the Polygon Network. Okay, so basically, this is how the Kyber Swap looks like. Okay, so let's say I want to sell my Polygon here. Okay, I don't have Polygon in this exchange. It doesn't have a wallet for us to keep our coins because it's a decentralized exchange. So that's why you need to have a decentralized digital wallet like MetaMask. Okay, so I need to connect it to my MetaMask. Right. Okay, but first, Kyber Swap is using Polygon Network. So on MetaMask, I need to switch to the Polygon Network.
Kelvin, sorry, new question. So how you know which network or which coins they use?
What do you mean which coins they use or which
Like how
network?
you know Kyber Swap use Polygon, then some use Ethereum.
Okay. Ask me lah, ask Kelvin.
Okay, ask Kelvin then.
Okay, very simple, Google. If Kelvin is not around, look for Google, my partner.
Okay, so it's available there.
Yeah. Okay, so for example, I need to switch to this account, okay, Polygon account. Okay, I need to switch to Polygon Network. Okay, so you see it changed, right? Okay, can you see my MetaMask wallet here?
Yes,
How many Matic does it say? Can you see?
8.6662.
You can see. So you see I have 8.6662 Matic here, right? So you can see it's reflected here, 8.6662 right? So what I did is I just connected my Matic in the Polygon blockchain to Kyber Swap to sell here if I want to. So they have pairs also, you know, Matic to USDT, etc., whatever. So as long as I have coins over here, right? Let's say DeFi. I don't know whether they have DeFi or not. Let's take a look. DFYN. Yep, have. This token, okay. Okay. So I can, if I want, I can sell it here. It's 67.22. That's the. Oh, okay, good. Kyber Swap is a multi-chain decentralized exchange. Okay, which means you can connect it to Polygon, BSC chain, Ethereum, blah blah blah, Chronos, all this. Okay. So it's a multi-chain decentralized exchange. Multi-chain means you can connect it to many chains. So which means I can also sell my coins that are stored in my Binance Smart Chain.
Kelvin, so if you sell your coin and into USDT, like for example, you're in Polygon Network. So the USDT will store in the Polygon
Yep. Polygon
network.
network.
Okay.
That particular wallet lah.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so now
Kevin, sorry,
Uh-huh.
Kevin, Felicia here. Just to check on the Metaverse, can we from the Metaverse transfer to the our ledger?
yeah, it's connected. You can connect your ledger to Metamask.
Oh, also can, huh? Oh, okay, can. Thank you.
So now, can you see this? Can you see my Metamask panel? It asked me to switch from Polygon mainnet to Binance Smart Chain. Can you see that?
Cannot see. It's hidden.
No.
This is it didn't appear. Never mind. Okay, it's asking me to switch network lah. So I need to switch to Binance Smart Chain because now I'm gonna sell my coins in Binance. Okay, so you see, I just switched to Binance, and you see everything's changed, right? Because now it is connected to my wallet in Binance Smart Chain. Right? So if you want to sell your coins in Ethereum, in the Ethereum blockchain, then just click Ethereum. So this is what we call a multi-chain decentralized exchange. Okay, and I think okay, the future of blockchain is all about multi-chain. There are going to be a lot of different layer 1 blockchains coming up, and also a lot of different layer 1 blockchains collapsing. Okay, at the end of the day, what will be left are the good ones, the strong ones, projects with good management. Okay, it's just like traditional companies. During the .com, there were a lot of .com companies. Eventually, only a handful survived, like Amazon.com, like Google. Okay, those companies with good fundamentals. It's gonna be the same with blockchain, with crypto. All right. So if today we are like buying Amazon at, I don't know, 20 cents, 30 cents. Was Amazon's share below $1 before when it started? Haven't. Or Google shares?
No, I don't think so.
Or maybe below $10. Okay, you get what I mean, during the early days, when they are super cheap. Okay. So investing in crypto is the same. Okay, we are just like investing in .com companies when they are super cheap. Okay, many of them will go to zero. Okay, but some of them will become the next Amazon, the next Google, the next I don't know, Facebook. All right. Okay, so basically that's how that's what MetaMask is. Any questions?
So Kelvin, from what I see is we don't need to transfer from MetaMask to the decentralized to sell our coins, right?
No, you don't.
So once you connect, they will automatically transfer itself.
No, they don't even transfer. Your coins stays in your blockchain. You got what I mean?
Once it's shown on this Kyber swap, I should be able to trade.
Yeah. So you see, I have 0.0734 BNB in this account, which is linked to my Binance Smart Chain. It is stated here.
Yeah, I see that.
I did not transfer a single BNB to Kyber swap. I want to transfer also cannot. There's no feature to transfer.
So once you see it here, you can actually sell it.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the thing about decentralization. It's so powerful. Your money stays with you. Nobody can steal your money. The exchange can't steal. Nobody. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And the money is
Okay.
still in your account, in the blockchain some more. Okay. Right. It's like,
Thank you.
it's like you see now when you're trading stocks, right? Your money you need to transfer to Think or Swim, right? Charles Schwab's, correct?
Right.
Yeah. What if one day the Charles, is it Charles Swaps or whatever? Okay. What if today the company behind Thinkorswim collapse? There goes your money, lah, right? Agree?
Yes, like FTX.
Like FTX, lah. But if Thinkorswim is a decentralized platform, if there's such a thing like in the stock market, then your money stays in DBS account. You get what I mean? You just use the Thinkorswim platform to trade. It links your money in DBS to the stock exchange, NASDAQ or whatever. It doesn't hold on to your money at all. So even Thinkorswim collapse or what, your money is safe in DBS. You get the picture or not?
Yes.
That's decentralization. Is it powerful?
Yes, much safer, I can
Good.
say. Yeah.
That's the future, guys. I don't know how long it will take. Okay, maybe not in our time, maybe in our children's time, but that would be the future. Okay, I mean, if you truly understand, okay, how powerful decentralization is, what is DeFi, that means decentralized finance, you will know that even the banks are scared. Seriously, right? If I can store my money, all my money in the Ethereum blockchain, why do I need DBS? Correct. Why do I need to keep my money in DBS when I can keep it in, let's say, Ethereum blockchain or the Binance Smart Chain or whatever chain? If somehow I can turn my money into cryptocurrency, which we can do now, no? Right?
So Kelvin, then if I have a cold wallet, then what's my reason wanting to have a MetaMask? What's the motivation? What's the main reason that I want to use a MetaMask?
Like I said, the safety level for a hardware wallet is 9, MetaMask is 7.
Yeah, so if I have a already cold wallet, then there's no reason I want to use a MetaMask, right?
Depends on you, up to you.
Okay.
If you have a cold wallet, right, you cannot trade on decentralized exchanges. You need MetaMask. That means you cannot use any DeFi applications if you just have a cold wallet. That's the reason why it's called cold wallet. Because it's cold, cold, cannot do anything. Just kidding, right? That's the difference, right? The cold wallet, as I said, is for you to store your coins until the bull market comes back and then sell it off, right? It's not for you to go in and out, 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 right? So the in and out part, I use my MetaMask because I can use it to trade, in and out, Especially I participate in initial offerings, those IDOs, ICOs, whatever we call them. Yeah, so that one you definitely need a MetaMask to connect to those launch pads. Okay, for those of you who have attended my fundamentals and investment class, you know what are launch pads. So you need MetaMask to connect to the launch pads in order to participate in those initial offerings. And also, you need a MetaMask to connect it to blockchain games. And for those of you who invested in Axie Infinity with, I think, Victor, you should know what I'm talking about, right? You need a MetaMask in order to connect to the Axie Infinity website in order to earn money from Axie Infinity. Yeah, that's basically decentralized finance, part of decentralized finance. Okay, so there are a lot of usage for this MetaMask wallet. Okay, it's not just to store your coins or what, no? You can use it to trade, you can use it to earn from blockchain games. So everything goes into your MetaMask wallet, which is connected to the blockchain. Okay, so this is part of my risk management strategy. Okay, that means the coins that I buy from exchanges, right? I can send it to my cold wallet, or I can send it to my Metamask wallet. Okay, those, like I said, my strategy is those coins that I want to hold until the bull market comes. I put it in my cold wallet. It goes there and it doesn't come out at all until the time is right, which is at the peak of the bull market. Otherwise, it stays there. Go in, cannot come out. You know, Chinese, we say 打进冷宫啊. That's why it's called a cold wallet. What is 冷宫 in English? Cold palace. Yeah. It goes into the cold palace. Okay. Okay, any questions, guys?
Kevin, do you need to put in anything like for the gas fee or what when you do
Yeah.
the transfer?
Yeah, obviously. So if you use Binance Smart Chain, you need to have BNB here to pay for gas fee. Okay. If you use Ethereum blockchain, okay, you need to have Ethereum inside the wallet to pay for gas fee. Then of course, if you use a Polygon, then you need to have Matic inside the wallet to pay for gas fee. Okay. No gas fee, no transfer. Simple as that. Okay.
Okay, good.
2 more minutes before we live.
So when they go from Metaverse to Kyber swap, you still need to pay for gas fee.
Every transaction, everything that is done on the blockchain, you need to pay a gas fee.
Oh.
Kelvin, I'm trying to assign the Bybit, right? They say if you're a citizen of the following countries, we put no, right? Then after that, we choose something else, right?
Yeah, choose something else. Anything you like.
Except
You want-
Singapore, lah, but don't put your citizen of Singapore, lah, right?
Yeah. So if you like to stay in the Caribbean, right, then you put some Caribbean countries. Bahamian.
But have to join the VPN first to like Hong Kong or something like that, right?
Yeah. Be a Bahamian, be a neighbor of SBF. Okay, so for those of you who have not gotten your MetaMask or who have no intention of getting a MetaMask, I hope after watching this video you can get it. Okay, it's very powerful, it's very beneficial, there are a lot of usage. Okay. In time to come, when we don't know what the future is. Okay, the future could be all decentralized finance, right? In fact, Binance has a decentralized exchange. Let me show you. Let me bring you there now. It's called BySwap. BySwap. Yeah, I haven't explored it yet, but it's a decentralized finance of Binance Smart Chain. Okay, BySwap. Sorry, it's not a decentralized exchange of Binance. It's a decentralized exchange in the Binance Smart Chain. So if you guys like the idea of trading on decentralized exchanges, you want to trade, but then you don't want to put your funds in exchanges, then DeFi, decentralized exchanges is the way to go. Which means you need this little fox here. Okay. Right. So yeah.
So Kevin, it's only for Ethereum network, since not for BTC, is it? Bitcoin?
No.
Okay.
It's not.
Right.
Okay. So same. Every time you come to a decentralized exchanges, it will always ask you to connect wallet. Connect wallet. Connect wallet. So okay. So this particular exchange allows you to connect to so many different types of wallets. So they have a coin. If you have a Coinbase wallet, you can connect it here and then start trading. Yeah. So you have MetaMask, you can connect it here and start trading. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's how it goes. Anything else? Okay. So if nothing, go and add a. I mean, when you're free, after today, go and add Binance Smart Chain into your MetaMask. Okay. Go and add Polygon also. Okay. If you want to follow me in this journey, okay, you definitely need Binance Smart Chain and Polygon in your little fox.
Kelvin, is there any reason why we do not want to use DeFi for trading?
Because they have very little pairs.
Oh, so limited, huh?
Oh, for now, limited. And it's not easy for a newbie to learn, as compared to a centralized exchange. Centralized exchange, you just register or can trade already. But for decentralized exchange, you still need to install MetaMask, blah, 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 this and that, connect wallet and stuff. So it's not for newbies. But as I said, if you want to follow me on my journey, on my crypto journey, sooner or later, you guys will dabble into DeFi when you become more experienced. Because you can make more money there. Not make more money there. There's a lot of money to be made in DeFi, especially on decentralized exchanges. Because a lot of new coins, before they are launched on centralized exchanges, they launch first on decentralized exchanges. So if you can catch a gem before they are launched on, let's say, Binance, okay? Imagine once they are launched on Binance, how many times will it appreciate? It's just like when you guys were playing new launches in FTX sorry, not new launches, newly listed coins in FTX. Normally, once a coin is listed on an exchange, it will just boom, go up.
So Kevin, today are you trading in decentralized exchange?
No.
Okay.
Why? Scared.
No. I just curious.
I'm just explaining to you what MetaMask can be used for in the future. Okay. Today we are still gonna be trading on Binance, Bybit, Kucoin, centralized exchanges. Right.
Kevin. Hello, Kevin. So just to check out the Metamask. If I don't have Binance account, I don't have Binance, I can still need Metaverse. Metamask, yeah.
If you don't have Binance, you should still have MetaMask because you have Coolcoin. So let's say you buy coins in Coolcoin. You can transfer coins from Coolcoin using the Ethereum network to your Metamask wallet.
Okay.
Get it? Hello? Do you
Hello?
get it? You understand?
Yeah, get it.
Yeah.
Can I just ask you one more question? How is it possible to direct from Singapore SG to transfer money to Kucoin direct?
No.
Still cannot.
Cannot. Okay. And then when you earn USDT, earn money, right? You transfer some money out to your MetaMask.
Oh, okay. Can.
Don't whatever you earn in trading, right? Don't put everything back into the exchange. Why? I'm sure you all have the experience in FTX already, right? I always say have 3 wallets. Okay, one trading wallet, one cash wallet, one investment wallet. Okay, I won't go into details what these wallets are for again. Okay, you all should know, right? So when you make money in trading, let's say you make $100, right? Put $30, go and buy Bitcoin, go and buy Ethereum, go and buy whatever good coins you want, and then transfer those coins to either your hardware wallet, your cold wallet, or your MetaMask. Don't leave it in Kucoin. Okay, then transfer $30 to your cash wallet. So the cash go where? I mean, if it's not a lot, you leave it in the exchange for the time being, right? Okay. But if it's a lot, then you transfer your USDT to your Metamask wallet. Okay, this is your liquidity. Okay. Because it could come back, you could need to transfer it back to the exchange to trade, in case your account goes down. You know, right? For whatever reason, you keep losing money, okay. So your account goes down, you need to top up, right? So you top up from your Metamask wallet, You get what I'm saying? So your Metamask wallet acts like a cash wallet. Get it? Then the remainder you put back into your trading wallet, continue to trade. Okay. Right. So let's do some live trading. Live trading.
Calvin, so if we use Coolcoin, right, then is it allowed to transfer?
Yeah.
And also as long as it's like
Allowed
on
to-
some network
Huh?
And as long as it's on the network right?
What do you mean is it allowed to transfer?
To the MetaMask one. Because that one is like your central.
Of course. USDT definitely you have to choose ERC20.
Okay.
I mean, as the transfer network, as the network to transfer. Of course, you can choose. Wait, I don't know Kucoin has BSC or not. Okay, if it allows you to choose Binance Smart Chain, then better still, the fees are cheaper.
Okay.
Okay, but Binance confirm you can use Binance Smart Chain.
Okay. But how do we check whether Coolcoin have or don't have one?
So when you transfer that time, they will ask you to select network.
Oh, I see. Okay, can.
Okay. Okay, come. Last question regarding MetaMask. After this, no more already. We go live trading. Going once. Going twice. So, okay, no more. Okay, come. Give me some coins to trade, guys. What coins do you all want to trade?
Dogecoin.
Dodge, Oh yeah. I hope you guys have your screener and all that. You change to. That means you remove FTX already, The screeners. In the
So
future.
the FTX account is delete the account, is it?
Huh? What?
FTX have to delete the app and the account
What do you mean have to delete the app and an account?
because you all say it got hacked or something, right?
Yeah.
So just delete the apps, everything already just take it as loss already, right?
Delete the app The account no need to delete. Why you want to delete the account?
Anyway, cannot log in
Yeah, who knows? Maybe one day, 10 years later, suddenly can log in.
Okay,
Right. Delete the app App can delete Account, you want to delete, don't delete. There's nothing you can do also, right? Just leave it there.
Anyway, cannot log in so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, maybe one day there's a miracle like Mount Gox.
There's a savior come and save the thing.
Yeah, maybe Temasek. Okay Okay, let's not focus on things that we cannot control, right? Okay, Dodge. Dodge, Okay. So what I did is what I have is I create a watch list, okay, just for the coins in Binance, and then another one I created for Bybit. So apparently they have more than 200 pairs okay, 200 coins in Binance and Bybit. Okay. So that's what I do. So I trade on Binance and Bybit. So if I want to trade on Binance, I'll go to the Binance watch list. Okay. even though the charts are almost similar, but there's still a slight difference between exchanges regarding the price. Okay, let's say for example, Binance and okay, this is Binance. Then I go to Bybit. Okay, this is Bybit. This is Binance. Minutes. Okay, there are slight differences, right? Not much, just slight only. Okay, so it's better to go to the exchange that you are trading on when you look at the charts. If let's say you're trading on Coolcoin, go and look at the Coolcoin chart. If you're trading on Binance, go and look at the Binance chart. Okay, so I use Binance chart, right? Oh no, you tell me what exchange you trade on better. Who's that who said Dodge? Hello, Mr. Elon Musk.
Oh, me, Samir. I asked for Doge.
Which exchange do you trade on?
Kucoin. I want to start to try Kucoin.
Okay, Coolcoin.
Yes, sir.
Carefully, where is it? Where are you, Dodge? Why cannot find you? There. Samir,
Yes.
first thing, what do you do?
Draw trend line.
All right, man. Draw where?
You go to the lowest bottom, yes, correct. And then you draw up. You draw up all the way, correct.
See, man, it just broke. This is 1 hour. Well, what should we do? Samir, what should we do?
The stochastic RSI, the two lines.
Those two,
But I mean that from the trend line, you can see if it can touch the trend line, and then it probably will bounce up and then can go for a short, long. That's what I can see. But the RSI and the MACD,
I need to see the MACD or RSI yet. Just look at the chart first. What can you do?
I think I will wait
The
until
first thing is
yeah.
if you can't enter now, right? There's no point looking at the MACD and the RSI. You get what I'm saying?
You get me saying? Okay.
Right. So I won't enter now. Why shouldn't I enter? Why do you think I shouldn't enter now, Samir?
Okay, because it is still far away from the trend line, I should try to see whether it will touch the trend line and then see whether it will break down or it will bounce up.
Correct. So what's the point of looking at the MACD and RSI now? Too early, right?
Yes, sir. Too early. Too early.
Too early. And someone is a 4-hour chart.
Oh yeah, you click forward.
So too early. Wait. And some more there's the 200 MA is here.
Okay.
So 200 MA, as we know, it can act as a very strong support and resistance. So it could bounce. And some more there's a resistance here, right?
Yes.
Hit, come down, right? Or it could come down, go up. And where did I get this line from? From there.
Oh, D. Okay.
There.
D.
Here. And here, right?
Okay.
And here, ding, 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 ding. So this is a strong resistance.
Okay.
Okay. So if we go to a 1-hour chart, you can see more candlesticks, right? So what we want is it break out from here. I mean, if it doesn't come down to here, it breaks out, you can long because the next resistance is here. So let's see how much can we possibly make from here to here. Okay, 5%. Not too bad, right? On a 20x is 100%. At least lah. I mean, if it breaks out somehow, oh, good lah, hallelujah, I know, clap hand lah.
Right.
If it were to move around this area, then the most you can make is about 100%. If it breaks out, okay, it may hit, come down.
Right.
So you just gotta wait.
Roger.
And looking at the stochastic for a 1-hour chart, okay, most likely you'll go up first. Most likely lah, unless it does this lah, it doesn't go all the way up, then suddenly come back down. So anyway, it will go up a bit lah, then come back down lah. Okay, or it could go up all the way here, that means hit resistance, then come back down. Okay, then maybe you can short if you want to. If it does that, I don't know. Also another 5%. If we go up, come back down. You short if you want. Yep.
Thank you, Gavin.
At the MACD also. Okay, it's trading below the 0 line. That means it's a downtrend. Obviously, you can see it's down. So if it continues to stay here, it will continue to go down. It will go down like that. If it breaks down, then you go down to next level here. Here.
Okay.
Or here. Here. Right, or here. If it breaks down. So now don't do anything, cannot do you. What do you want to do? Do you want to long or short?
Yeah, you're right. I should wait.
You long, you are right. Even if you are right, you long, you this is the potential profit only. Okay.
Yeah.
If you short, you are right. This is the potential profit, 3%. You want to take the risk or you want to go to sleep? For me, I'd rather go to sleep.
Yes, me too.
Right. So little, right. Unless it breaks out lah. In the next 1 hour, I don't know, or 2 hours. Then then maybe it's worth the risk because now the profit is so much potential. Okay, that's how I see it lah.
Okay. Thank you, Kelvin.
Yeah, of course, you can don't listen to me on. Okay.
Hey, don't like that, eh?
I'm serious. Yeah, you make your own rules. Okay, that's my rule. That's what I would do. Okay, but you make your own rules, okay? You decide. Every one of you are responsible for your own trades. I just give my opinion, that's all. I'm not a financial advisor. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Who knows? Maybe the next hour you may do something like that. Shoo, all the way. They say, I shouldn't listen to Kelvin, you know. So that right. So you decide. Okay, but like I said, this is how I see it lah. Okay, this is basically if I take away this one, okay, what kind of shape is it making?
Kind of shape. A wedge? No.
I don't know. You tell me. You're supposed to know.
Supposed to know.
Yeah, you're supposed to know, but you don't know. Never mind. Anyone can help him? Anyone can help Samir? What is this pattern called?
Boom, flag.
Good try. It's not. Yeah, I mean, it looks like a flag. It looks like a flag. Okay. Maybe I draw this.
Then there's a wedge, huh? That's a wedge, but no.
No, that's not a wedge. If I take away the yellow line. What is this? It's always good to have the bullish and bearish patterns in front of you when you trade. Then you don't have to think. I hate thinking, you know. I'm very lazy one. I hate to memorize things and thinking, you know. That's why I have my bearish and bullish pattern pasted on the wall. I'm looking at it now. Guys, nobody can help.
Googling.
So sad. Samir, so sad. All your friends couldn't help you because they also don't know. Yeah.
Bullish pennant.
I draw this. What if I draw this?
Descending flag.
See, now I draw this. You can see this. It's like a flag, right? Oh, this is
He's going down.
this looks like a bear pennant. It's not really it's also a flag. Okay. Today we learn drawing. Huh? Okay, let's say if I draw this out. Take away this. And now what does it look like? Hello, guys. It's so obvious now. Guys, hello.
I don't know what this pattern is.
Huh? Jialat, man. 32 of you, nobody knows. Oh, my drawing is so bad, you cannot even tell what it is.
Flag law.
Yeah, flag lah. So this what flag? Bullish or bearish?
Looks like bullish.
Hmm?
Some bearish, right?
One say bullish, one say bearish. So how? Fight lah.
Higher low ma.
Okay, this is a bear flag. Who's that? Susu.
Yeah.
Who is a bear flag?
Oh, it's a bear flag. But then
Yeah.
isn't the
Because the
current
flag upside down, ma?
higher high?
Huh? What?
But isn't it higher low, higher high now?
What higher low, higher high?
Like the recent ones is like a higher low ma.
Well, the bull or bear flag doesn't
Oh, it doesn't matter, is it? Because it looks like higher lows ma.
you don't take that into consideration. You look at the shape. It looks like a bear flag to me, right? It's coming down. This is like your flagpole lah, a bit slanting lah. Okay. So this is a flag. So bear flag means what? Most likely what will happen, guys? Ooh.
Go down.
Only Susu knows. The rest all don't know. So bear flag, well, obviously, most likely lah, you go down lah. Right, on a 1 hour chart. If you go to a 4 hour chart, you also see a bear flag. Right? If you go to a 1 day chart, okay, 1 day cannot see, so it's not so obvious. Okay, 4 hour chart very obvious. Is like a one. Looks like a bear flag. Okay, so according to technical analysis, a bear flag means most likely the price will go down. Most likely, no guarantee, but at least you see a flag, you know, okay, more than 50% chance that the price will go down.
Sorry, Calvin, how do you define the bear flag?
Huh?
How do you define the bear flag? I see the flag like tilting up like that.
Like what?
How do you define the bear flag? I mean, like from the drawing, right? It looks like as if the two parallel lines that is going up like that.
Yeah, lor. That's what makes it a bear flag. Okay, you're up to you guys, right? you should, okay, you should go and study about patterns. As I said, I have downloaded the patterns onto the Discord channel for you all to download and stare at it until you recognize the shapes. Okay, like I said, you don't have to memorize it, right? You just need to put it in front of you every time you trade. Okay, then while you're drawing lines, you see, oh, this shape looks familiar. Then look at your chart lah. Oh, it's a bear flag. Oh, it's a whatever bear pennant or what triangle, rectangle, oblong. Yeah, there's no oblong lah. Okay, so this can be a bear flag, right? Okay, it can also be a it could also be a triangle, an ascending triangle. Sorry, not an ascending triangle. It could also be a ascending triangle is coming from the top. Okay, this is coming from the bottom, going from the bottom. This is coming from the top. So it could also be a triangle, a triangle, you know, a triangle, like something like that. Okay, so very simple lah. There's a chance to go down because there's a bear flag. And how you trade a triangle, very simple. If it breaks out, you long. If it breaks down, you short. And it's very near, very near towards the end of the triangle. So sooner or later, it's gonna break out. Sooner or later. Okay, which means that there is a chance to trade. Because sooner or later, it's gonna break out. All right. And this flag tells me that it has a higher chance of breaking down than up. That's how you analyze charts. It's so simple. Okay. Next coin. Next, guys. Also quiet. Nobody wants to trade tonight. Yeah. Hello. Don't be shy. Okay, never mind. I give you all 5 minutes. Y'all each one go and choose a coin. I can pour myself a drink. When I come back, everyone must give me a coin. Okay. Everyone go and choose a coin that you want to trade tonight. Otherwise, why you come to live trading? Okay. 5 minutes. Start choosing, start getting a coin. Okay, who wants to start first? Lai?
Oh, BNB,
Who's that?
John,
Chan, BNB. Okay, good. What exchange are you trading on?
Qcoin,
Coolcoin, Coolcoin. BNB. Sean, what should I do? What's the first thing I should do?
draw the trend lines.
A better answer would be draw a support first.
Okay.
Okay. You can see a very obvious support here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So 1 hour, the 1 day chart, difficult to draw a trend like it. You can draw a trend line on a 1 day chart also. But a bit difficult. Not a lot of candles to draw. So we go lower time frame to draw the trend line. Very easy. Okay, this is definitely manipulation. So we ignore the line. Okay, right. So there you go. Oh, very close to breakout. On a 4-hour chart. Or breakdown. Wait lah, bro, right? If you want to have confirmation.
But after that, they have to do the 1 hour chart again to go.
Okay, can also. Sama, same.
Okay.
There could be a breakout. The MACD seems bullish to me. You can see the MACD is also on a trend line. Hey guys, MACD also can draw trend line one. Right. So this blue line, if it doesn't break down, okay.
Oh, first time I see can draw trend line on MACD. Wow, I didn't know that.
Know that, right? Yeah, there's a lot of things I haven't taught you all yet. So yeah, so it could be bullish. So SOP lah, if it breaks out, you long, no? You long. This should be your, wait. If long, okay, resistance. Yep, correct. Resistance. Okay, go back to 1 hour. Okay, so if it breaks out, you long those, this will be your resistances. Here. Okay. Like, let's see how many percent we can make if it breaks out. 3% to 5%. Okay, 60 to 100%. If it goes down, actually, I'd rather it go down. You know why? Got more meat. Yeah, if it goes down, this is 2% to 7%. Actually, you got what I mean, Chan? I prefer it goes down, got more meat to eat.
Yep.
Yeah, but then again, we don't know. We gotta wait now, right? So you wait for it to break out lah. Break out, you test, you buy on the retest. If it's successful, then you just watch it right this trend line. So at the break of trend line, you get out. If you want to, at the break of trend line. If you can wait lah. If you can't, then you just take a risk, place limit orders with a stop loss, right? And then hope that you're right, the price goes back up. Okay, but I will, let me see, 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours. And 4 hours is showing me bearish momentum. Yeah. So wait lah, bro. No choice. You can't do anything now.
Got it.
I mean, not you can't. I won't do anything now.
Okay.
Yeah, because I don't know whether it will go up or down until the next candlestick. Okay, 4 hours, 1 hour. All right. Okay, next person. Next person, come on, guys. Give you 5 minutes to choose a coin already.
Kelvin, the one that Rash mentioned, DYDX.
Which exchange are you trading on?
Coolcoin.
Resh mentioned when?
Got it just now. He said it's a decentralized, don't know what.
Oh, okay. I thought you said you mentioned in the group chat.
In the group chat.
Huh? Okay. Major pumps happening in DY pumps. Oh, yeah. Okay. Right. It has already pumped 26%. Oh, XC even better, 42%. What the hell is this? Wow. Hey, y'all miss this, ah? Y'all miss this pump, ah?
Yeah. What caused this pump?
I have no idea. C98. So what do you want to do, Kucoin?
Seems can't do anything now.
You come back down one.
Yeah, but maybe not
I
sure when.
don't long. Definitely. I'm not gonna long.
Mm.
I already pumped so much, 25%. So same thing lah. Do what first?
Draw the support resistance.
So draw this. See where is it first. Okay, maybe still got a little bit more to run.
It's okay.
Well, maybe still got a little bit more to run. Oh, 13%, not bad. More than 10%.
But do we wait for it to retrace?
Cost lah. Cost. Trend line.
Mm.
You don't long now. Okay, wait for it to come back down. Wait for the RSI to reset. Reset means go back down here. Right. You don't buy when the RSI is at the top, right?
Mm.
Yeah. Probably I'll long it. I mean, what Resh said is correct. Everybody going to decentralized exchange. Like what I just said lah. I explained to you guys really. Is decentralization good? All of you say good, right? It is good. So maybe we can look for some decentralized exchanges to long. Yeah, DYDX is one of them. Shoot. Don't know whether got GNS or not in Coolcoin. Oh yes, don't have it. GMT. Binance got GMT. Who's trading on Binance? Not GMT, sorry. GNS. Nope. Wait lah, wait for it to come back down. Okay. If you want to place limit orders, you want to take a risk and go ahead. Place your limit orders around the $2 mark over here. Okay, then stop loss over here. Stop loss. Here, this one. Yeah, limit orders here. Stop loss here.
Okay. So take profit will be the 2.58 there lah.
Around here lah.
Mm.
This area will be a support. Yeah. Okay, if DYDX were to break this area, well, we can go and celebrate already. Yeah, ready. You can go celebrate. Okay, because the next support will be here.
Oh.
And a little bit here. There's nothing on the left. Yeah. Can take a gamble tonight before we sleep. Yep. If y'all want to, if y'all feel like gambling tonight, put limit orders here and then go to sleep, stop loss here. Right? If you cannot sleep so early, then wait. Okay. Wait. It's definitely going to come down because now it's at the top. And it's a bearish candlestick. Provided it stays this way, this is a 4-hour chart. Hey, there's 2 more hours to go. Yep. Okay, it's gonna come down. Yeah, come down. 30 minutes chart. Yes, it's down, sloping down. Can try.
By the way, Kelvin, how do we know like this is like how much time already into 4 hour?
What do you mean? How much time in the 4 hours?
Like just now you say left with 2 hours, right? How to tell where are we?
Simple. 12 o'clock to 12 o'clock.
Oh, I
Simple, all right. That's why I like 1 hour. So no need to guess. Every hour there's a candlestick. Yeah, guys, just take note. Take note of this. This when this thing comes down to the trend line, you buy. Okay, stop loss here. So your risk is only your risk to reward is almost 1.5. Ooh. Okay, but I don't like this. It's 18% stop loss. Okay, if the stop loss is so high, that means your position size cannot be too big. If you want to maintain your 5% rule. Okay, remember 5% rule, 5%. You can't lose more than 5% of your account size on this trade. Okay.
Like that, then very hard.
What do you mean very hard?
Because that 18%.
Position size smaller?
Okay.
Right. Your position size cannot be too big because the stop loss is so far away. Either that or you choose a tighter stop loss. This one. This is 8%. Tighter still. This would be 6%, 7%. Yeah. So you can choose where you want to put your stop loss. You can also put your stop loss here if you want to. Okay, these are all supports.
Can put at the 200 EMA.
Can, which is here lah. Okay, so you have to decide where you want to put your stop loss and then decide on your position size. So this will still be 16% or more than 10%. Okay. So just remember, the further away the stop loss is from your entry, the smaller your position size is. Don't lose more than 5% of your account size. That's the rule. Okay.
Okay.
Right. If you all want, you can put all your stop loss all the way here. 44%. Very little chance, very low chance it will hit. But then there's no guarantee. Okay. So you want to put your stop loss here, then your position size got to be even smaller lah.
But then the risk to reward ratio will be.
Well, because the chances of you getting stopped out is lower, that means so you can't expect to make much money lah. Yeah. You can't obviously put your risk to reward 1.5. I want 1.5. I mean, it's still possible, not saying impossible. 1.5 is here. Still possible. This is only a 68%. No, not only, this is a lot. But it's still possible, okay? If let's say the decentralized exchange narrative booms, nothing is impossible. Okay. And DYDX has done that kind of moves before. Right. You can see this move. So this move to here is nothing. This is like.
Then actually might as well we wait for the.
Okay, so a 60% move for DYDX is nothing. It's possible. You say what? Wait for what?
Wait for it to come down.
Then you wait long lah. How you know when will it come down, right? I also want to wait lah. Right. So who knows when will it come down? Okay. The first time it was here is June 2022. The next time it came down is October. So you want to wait? June, July, August, September, October, 4 months. So you want to wait until when? February?
Okay.
And wait, while waiting, we also want to trade the in-betweens, right? Can make some money, right? And wait for it to come down. Then use the profit to buy at the bottom.
Okay.
Now we're gonna make profit. Make. And then wait for it to come down. I don't know, probably maybe 4 months later, right? Then we use the profit and buy. We play with house money. Now we're all gonna make house money first. Work hard. Okay, don't talk about bottom. That one a bit unrealistic. Okay, talk about this first. I will wait for it to come down. This will be my entry here around the $2 area.
And then what kind of stop loss you I mean among
You all decide.
okay.
Yeah, I gave you all the levels already that you can put your stop loss. Remember below the line, not above stop loss. So why this one is because there's a support here, support level. You can see this is a nice support for this, right? And also it's a breakout and then retest and then go up. So that's why there's this line over here. And it also acts as a resistance over here. So this is a key area. Okay. So why this line? Well, because this is if you enter here, then this will be the previous low. Because the price came down a little bit and go back up. So it's also considered a previous low. Right? Because price did come down and go up. There's another previous low here. The price come down, go up. You can pick this as a potential support, right? Over here, another one, the price came down. So this line is basically a resistance RS flip. Over here, it acts as a resistance. You see, the price go up, refuse to break out, come back down. So this over here, it acts as a resistance. After that, the price break out, come back down, retest, boom. So over here, it acts as a support. So this is an RS flip. So this can also be a support. Then this one, needless to say, is the low of this big swing here. So anything lower doesn't make sense already. Okay. The distance will be too much. In fact, this is already too much for me. 16%. But still can trade. You can't use 20x leverage.
Okay.
Okay, but I'm definitely going to long it tonight. But then I can afford to stay up late, so I will watch it first. If you cannot afford to stay up late, then you need to take a little bit of risk. If you still want to trade this, okay, put your limit order here below the above the trend line. Then go and select a stop loss. I hope y'all jot down the numbers.
$2 and 1.7.
Or best, y'all draw the same thing as I draw on your chart. So you look at your chart.
Okay.
That's the best. That's how y'all learn.
Thank you, Kelvin.
You're welcome. Or those adventurous ones, you can try shorting. Would you like to do that one? After a pump, you like to short. Oh, there's still a lot of money to be made, 14%. Ryan, is Ryan here? Ryan. Is Ryan here? Ryan like to do this.
Short already use a profit to long.
Yeah. You short already, you use the profit to long. If you are still online, Ryan like to trade this type of stuff, and he's very good at it. Looks good to short. I'm not kidding. If you want to short, just put a little bit play lah. Maybe got it definitely has to come back down to touch the trend line. Okay. This could be a evening star. You all know what an evening star is? This could be an evening star, but and this is, if this continues, it's definitely going to be a bearish candlestick pattern. Okay, but the thing is, still have 2 hours more to go. So 2 hours, anything can happen. This red candle can turn green. Yeah. Okay. So if you can wait until 12 o'clock, then you wait until 12 o'clock before you do anything. If you cannot wait, then you are taking a gamble, right? You think you go short, you open a short position here. But what if the next 2 hours, the price start going up? This become a green candlestick, it goes up, then you hit stop loss lah. Okay. But then you won't lose much, because from here to the tip here is, not, you will lose a lot, 7%. Okay, on a 20x, that is 140% loss. Still can try. Anybody? Short? So stop loss is either the tip of this candlestick or this or this. Okay, if you want to short. But I would advise you to wait for it to break down this trend line if you want to short. All right. Okay. I would put a buy stop limit order here. You know what's a buy stop limit, right? If you can, is to trade breakdown here. Below 2.28. It should be this bottom tip here, 2.28. Yeah, around there. I will place my buy stop limit order here. Below this candlestick. Below. Yeah, probably 2.28 lah. I will put it somewhere there to catch the breakdown. Okay, that's how I would trade this. Okay, so who's gonna long tonight? Can I have a show of? Can I have? Can I see? Type in the chat box if you want to long tonight. Can you type long? You want a short, type short. If you don't do anything, don't type lah. If you don't do anything, don't type. Now, who wants to go long? Who wants to go short? Amiru, you greedy guy. Okay lah. No risk, no pain. No risk, no gain. Yeah, go and test lah. Go and test it out on the Kucoin platform. Okay, next one. Next, guys, come on. How come the night so quiet, everyone? All no mood because of FTX.
Because learning the new exchange, so less mood. Especially if cannot go on mobile, very difficult. Like for example, if I open tonight, right? Tomorrow I want to close, I can only close using mobile. Then how?
There's a mobile app for Coolcoin. You
Yeah,
can download the mobile app.
have to figure out.
You figure out how to use. Or just leave it lah. Either you hit your stop loss or so okay. When you wake up, all right, you look at the chart, see whether you can adjust a little bit or not. Well, if you're in profit, then move your stop loss to. If you're in profit, take profit lah, right? Or you move your stop loss to entry.
Okay.
Okay. If you're in a loss, but your stop loss is not hit yet, then don't do anything.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
Yep, I do.
Yeah. So all you need is just 30 minutes in the morning when you wake up, look at the chart, see whether you can, whether you should make any adjustment to your trade or not. If you need to make adjustment to the trade, make. If not, then just go to work.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
You have already decided on how much you are willing to risk on the trade. So why bother? You get what I'm saying?
Can.
Don't always have to look at the chart one. In fact, you don't even need to trade on a handphone. At night, look at the chart, maybe spend 30 minutes to 1 hour, see whether there's any opportunity to enter or not. Okay, if there is, if you spot an opportunity, then key in your orders and then go to sleep. The next morning you wake up, you see whether it hit your take profit or you hit your stop loss, or it is still in between. Right? If it's in between, see whether it is in profit or not. If it's in profit, move your stop loss to entry, go to work. your trade is safe. Right? So during the course of your work, it's either the price hit your TP or it comes back down, hit your stop loss and entry. Then no win, no lose. Or maybe win a little bit. Put your stop loss slightly above entry. So that you at least win something. Okay. But if let's say the price is down, okay, you are in a loss, but then the stop loss hasn't hit yet, then just leave it. Go to work.
Okay, okay.
Like that lah. So, cannot trade on handphone, still can trade. Who says cannot? Hey guys, like that that's it. So boring. Well, this is the most boring live trading session I ever held. Oh, so quiet. Come on, guys. I'm gonna do something that y'all don't like. I'm going to arrow people. Who else? Who? PJ. PJ, are you there? Mr. PJ? Mr. PJ. Or Mr. PJ watching football. You see lah. People log on and then they watch football. Rose. Rose. Another one can watch football. Okay. Valerie. Come on, Valerie. Are you there? Walao. Hey, by the way, guys, can y'all hear me? Can or not?
Yes, can hear.
Can hear. That means it's not from my problem. Problem not on my side. That means all of you can hear. That means there are people who log in to this live training session and then disappeared. Walao, like that. I'm so sad, man. Jillian.
Haven't traded since.
Goalkeeper.
Huh?
Yeah, your initial is GK, what?
Oh yeah.
Goalkeeper.
I haven't traded since FTX. Lost in FTX.
I'll start.
Huh?
I'll start to trade.
Yeah, but now the coins, everything's so volatile. I also don't know how to see. Long.
Give me a coin you want to trade. Let me help you to analyze. Every day the coins are volatile. Why are you talking?
No, this few days even harder to gauge, I guess. I don't know. I mean, don't know where the overall market sentiment is going. You want to trade long, then suddenly you go and sleep one night and then wake up, oh yeah, this get hacked again, that crypto.com down again, BlockFi issue, then it's like everything crashed again. So I don't know.
Everything crashed again, good, short the market. What do you mean to know? Yeah, you already experienced one time, right? FTX. No, 2 times, Luna and FTX. Every time there's a crash, what do, guys? Short. Still need to think. No need to think. Hey, just pick a coin and short. Okay, normally I pick Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Okay. Then wait for it to reach almost the bottom, sell. Then make money. And then long. Because after you reach bottom, it will sure bounce back on. So you make money both ways. Don't know what to do next time when there's a collapse. Okay, you all have been through it twice. If you still don't know what to do the third time, well, you need to knock your head. You need to knock your own head. Okay, guys, very easy one. Look, every time there's a crash or something collapse, bad news in the market, there's always this. Shoo, so nice to short. Right? And close two eyes also can short.
So you short on future, right?
Of course lah.
Okay, okay.
Then short where spot.
Not short, forgot.
Right. I mean, that's how I make money. When everyone is falling around me, I'm making money. And that's what the whales do. What? All the retailers, I mean, all the retail traders, all galang gabo, don't know what to do, all panic, sell. They short lah. Or they wait here, then they buy at the bottom. Then they make money from this upside. Because every time comes down, sure go up. It's almost like a V. Since y'all already know that, next time when there's another crash, not that I want, right? But it won't be the end. FTX won't be the last one. Okay. At least now you are prepared. Okay, when the next crash comes.
So Kevin, you rather short all these major coins instead of that particular exchange token?
Yeah.
Okay, why?
Safer ma.
Okay.
Because they are very predictable. FTT, if I short, is very unpredictable. So I don't want.
Oh, because they can buy back or manipulate lah.
Well, we don't know, right? At the time. So I rather play the safer coins because they are predictable.
I see.
Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana.
By the way, is there still like presence of Solana now?
Yeah, why not? It's a good time to buy for long-term hold.
Okay.
Let me see Solana.
So Solana is not
$14. Who would have thought that Solana will go down to $14? Seriously. Okay. It was at $200. It was at almost $200. No, exceeded 250. Yeah. Just 1 year ago, exactly 1 year ago, it was at $200 over. Who would have expected it to go to $14? Seriously, don't buy. Hey, it's like Great Singapore Sale, no?
May I ask what is the fundamental of Solana? How is it related to FTX?
It's not related to FTX. It's
Okay.
just that FTX invested in them. That's all.
Oh.
They are layer 1 blockchain. So FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried invested heavily on the Solana ecosystem.
I see.
Yeah. So they don't own it. Okay. It has nothing to do with Solana has nothing to do with FTX. Yeah. That's all.
I see. It's just one major customer loss.
One major backer, that's all.
Okay.
Okay. But life goes on because their technology is good. So it already broke this support. Okay, is the next one will be here, which is very near. Okay, I don't think I need to tell you all what to do already, once it breaks this support. If you all still don't know what to do, nothing to say. So if it breaks this support, what should you all do?
Short.
Yeah, short, right? If it bounce, what should you do?
Why?
Long. You see, you all know. So if you longs come back up here, how much can we make? 50%. Wow. Times 20, how? Y'all going to do the math. Right? Times 20x leverage. So you see, guys, you all don't have to trade every day. Just be patient, wait for opportunity, go in. Shoom. Possible 1000% on a 20x. Right? You put in 1000%, 10x, 10,000. Half a year no need to trade. Yeah. Trading is like that. Just be patient. Especially those of you who keep saying you don't have time to trade, don't have time to trade. Trade on a weekly chart lah. Wait lah. You know, this is 1 week candle. Then slowly wait until the next week candle come out. So if you see whether is it the green or not. If it's the green one, that means there's a potential bounce. No? If the next week also red, that means there's a potential short. So where got volatile? The candlestick will Jillian. Where got volatile? Right? This candlestick still have okay, Sunday. Tomorrow, Monday should have a new candlestick. Okay. Then we see the Monday, we see this candlestick. Is it gonna close below? Or is it gonna close on top? Okay, I don't know the Sunday is a US time or Singapore time. Okay, if it's US time, then we got one more day to wait. If it's Singapore time, then only about 1.5 hours more to go. Yeah lah. So if you find that 1 hour chart very volatile, trade on the 1 week chart. Slow and steady like tortoise like that. Okay. Or if you find too slow, 1 hour chart, 1 day chart, daily chart. So you see daily chart, you can see the MACD is going down, right? Most likely it's gonna go down. If the MACD don't get back up, okay, this thing is going down. Yeah, no? So simple. Then wait for it to cross, then open a short position. So you all need to think ahead, okay? Plan ahead. What are you going to do for the next few days? Just pick one coin. Nobody asks you go and trade all the coins in Coolcoin. Just pick one coin, analyze it, and plan for the next few days. Okay. What you are going to do. So if I'm you, right? If I pick Solana, just Solana, I'm going to plan the next few days. If this thing breaks down, I am going to short this guy. Plan properly. Okay, go to sleep. Tomorrow, wake up, look at the chart. See whether it breaks or not. Oh, haven't break yet. Okay, go to work. Okay, go to work. When you reach home, look again. See whether the candlestick break or not. This is because you're looking at 1 day chart. So you won't have a lot of candlesticks to look at. So don't worry. Just concentrate on that 1 day candlestick.
But if you come home, you realize that it's already breakthrough,
Short
but then it rebound already,
Rebound what?
bounce back already.
When you reach home, you only see one candlestick.
Yeah,
This is
one green
daily
bar
candlestick.
on the bottom.
Sorry?
You see one green bar from the bottom.
That means it comes back up, right? Are you saying that?
Yes.
That means it goes down when you come back up. Then don't do anything lah. Right? You come back up. Well, you want a shot? Don't do anything. Go to sleep. Nobody says you have to trade, right?
Okay.
It doesn't. If the chart doesn't go according to your plan, then you don't do anything. And your plan is, I want to see a red candle. Okay, and I will short. Anything different from that, I'm not going to do anything. So that's your plan for the next few days. If for those of you who are so busy, don't have time to trade, seriously, to me, it's just an excuse, or you don't know what to do. But so now you know what to do already. For those people who don't have time to trade, I just told you all what to do. Okay, right? Trade on a daily chart. Don't bother about 1 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour. Don't even go below. Just trade on daily chart and trade slowly. 1 week probably you only trade once. 1 month maybe 2 or 3 times. Seriously, so where got no time to trade, right? 1 whole month 2 to 3 times, no time to trade. Seriously, so busy. 开玩笑. So you decide, what are you going to do? Or you can decide, okay, if I want to long it, okay, if I see a green candlestick, I will open a long position. And then I'm going to take profit here. I'm going to long from somewhere here to here. That's my plan for the whole week. If I don't see a green candlestick, I don't do anything. Let's say if the thing goes down, you see a red candlestick, oh, different from my plan, then don't do anything. Or you can have 2 plans. If you see a green candlestick, you're going to long until where? Here. If you see a red candlestick and it closed below this, you're going to short. 2 simple plans, right? Hello, am I right, guys? Wait.
Yes, you're right, Kelvin.
很勉强，很勉强。Okay, for those of you who don't have time to trade, okay, this is the plan I give you all. All right, fair enough. No excuse, okay. For the whole of next week, you only concentrate on Solana. Just Solana. Okay, ignore all the rest of the market. Ignore all the rest of the coins. Okay, ignore what people post on what your fellow students, what your fellow peers post on our group chat. Okay, whatever percent they make is their problem, not yours. Your problem, your objective is just to trade Solana for the whole of next week. All right, Gideon, whoever, okay.
Yeah.
I expect you all to trade just Solana for the next week, okay. If you see a green candlestick that bounces off from support and it is a bullish candlestick pattern, you long. Okay, you long. And you don't use leverage. Don't use leverage. Take profit here.
Okay.
Okay, you have 53% to make. Okay, how much you want to put in, up to you, but I suggest just put in very little. Okay, just can learn how to use the platform. Okay, if there's a red candle, then you open a short position. Okay, but the candle must close. Daily chart, the candle must close below 12 bucks. Okay, $12 is the. All right, I'm sure a lot of people place orders at the $12. Okay, so if it breaks $12, very high possibility you'll go down. Okay, so we wait. All right, all of you can put your support at $12. $12. $12. For those of you who want to buy, I buy lah. Okay, buy. Just buy and hold, put into your nano, your ledger. Okay. But for those of you who want to trade, $12. Okay, your plan is If it doesn't hit $12 and bounce, you're not going to buy. You're going to do anything. You want it to hit $12, bounce, then you buy. Okay, if suddenly tomorrow there's a green candlestick here, or start to go up, don't buy. Don't FOMO. Don't chase. Okay. Our plan, okay, our plan, our plan. We want to see a green candle bounce out from $12. Then we will long it. Okay. Second plan is we want, if there's no green candle, there must be a red candle that close below $12. Okay, below $12. Then we short. Is it okay or not? This plan simple or not?
Can.
Then everyone can trade, huh?
Yep, can.
Yeah, so like that lah. Yeah, for the busy bees. Okay, this is your plan for the whole week. You only look at Solana. Okay, all the busy bees. I must talk to Rash. Maybe form a busy bee club. All those busy bees, every week you only trade one coin. That's all. 1 month you only trade 4 times. So no excuse, no excuse, don't have time to trade.
So first of all, you need to find out like one day is closing at 12 midnight US or Singapore time.
8 o'clock. 8 o'clock.
Or 8 o'clock.
You see, you ask, you know, you don't ask, you keep quiet. You forever think it's 12 o'clock. No, it's 8 to 8. It's actually GMT plus GMT 0 lah, you know, or UTC, which is GMT. We are plus 8, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's 8 o'clock.
So 8 o'clock of our time.
Huh?
Our time lah.
Yeah, because we are plus 8, what? Our time is UTC plus 8.
Okay, so they are using UTC lah, and then because we are plus 8, so we are 8 o'clock.
Yep, 8 a.m. to 8 a.m. That's how the crypto. I mean, for us Singaporeans, that's the 24-hour time period for us in Singapore. 8 to 8. For Malaysians also the same, 8 to 8. Then for the Aussies, I don't know really. Depend on which city you're living in. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay. Anybody else have any coins want me to help you to analyze? Okay, I want to repeat again, guys. Trading is very simple. All right. Trade with a plan. Okay, trade with a plan and trade according to your lifestyle, according to your time. Okay. Right. If you are really busy, well, as I said, trade on a 1-day chart. So you look at the chart, it's hardly moved, right? Where got volatile? Gillian, correct? It hardly move. If you find a daily chart still volatile, then go to 1 week. It doesn't move at all. Okay, you can look until you go to sleep. Right. So trade according to your lifestyle. So some people can't handle 5-minute charts. Why? Because the candlestick move too fast. So they are afraid they might get heart attack. Then you don't trade on a 5-minute chart, you go higher time frame. Okay. In 1 hour, you still feel that, oh yo, I still might get a heart attack. Then don't trade on 1 hour, go 4 hours. If 4 hours you cannot take it, then 8, 12 daily lah. Okay. Normally traders trade on a daily chart, 4 hours chart, 1 hour chart, or weekly chart. 8 and 12 hours is somewhere in between 4 and daily. Yeah. Okay. So for spot trading, as I mentioned, I use a daily chart and a 4 hours chart to trade. Okay, and I don't even use MACD and stochastic. I just draw lines. Okay, like this lah, $12. If it falls below $12, okay, If I trade, I will short. If I don't want to trade, I will buy. I'll buy and hold. Because you see, 12 bucks. Sooner or later, it'll come back to 20 bucks. And how much will you make? If let's say you buy at $12, okay, you wait for it to come back to $20, you make 64%. Right? You put $10,000 inside, you make 6,004. Spot trading. What if the price continue to go down? Just hold on. Right. Or have a stop loss. Have a stop loss, maybe 5 or 10%. Or put your stop loss here. You know? Put your stop loss here. Okay. You lose $12,000. Okay, because it's 12%. So what happens if it continues to go down? Okay, remember if you attended my class, I taught you the stop loss strategy. You get stopped out. If it continues to go down, use whatever remaining money you have to buy at a lower price. You will end up with more and more Solana. Remember, guys? Remember? If you remember, this type in the chat box. I remember.
Yes, we remember.
But then I forgot. See, I did mention that, right? Yeah. So for me, the way I trade, it doesn't matter whether the price go down or not. I will still make money on no matter how. Because I learned from the whales. That's how they do it. You see. So when you know how to navigate the crypto market, you won't worry, right, whether the price go up or down. Okay, you go down, you're happier. Why? Because you end up with more tokens with the same amount of money. You don't have to pump in money. 10,000 is 10,000. No? Right. So of course, this concept only works for good coins now. You don't gonna buy shit coins now. You go buy shit coins, the price go down and never come up one. Then you lose all your money already. Okay. As long as you buy good coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, for example, okay, sooner or later it'll come back up. So if you feel that trading futures is too fast or is scary, you know, then trade spot. It's even easier. You only need to concentrate on one direction, up. Up. That's all. You don't even need to bother to think of shorting. Just think of buying at the support, and then the price go up, or you sell at resistance. Then the price come down again, or you buy at support, you sell at resistance. So simple. Right. No one says you need to trade futures, guys. Right? Nobody says that you need to short the market. Okay, and nobody says that you need to use the stochastic and the MACD. Right? You can start with drawing straight lines first. Okay, primary school. start primary school. Okay, draw straight lines first, like your children, like your kids. Those of you who have small kids, they draw lines. Yeah. So start with drawing lines first. Okay. Start with trading one direction first. If you find that what Rash or what other guys are doing, you know, it's too fast for you to follow. It's too challenging, scary, complicated. Let's start simple. Okay, draw lines first. Okay, trade one direction first. Okay, you can still try futures, but don't touch the leverage 1x or maximum 2x. Don't go higher than 2x. Okay, trade small. Until you get good at it, then you graduate to the next level, primary 2, primary 3, primary 4. Don't straight away to university. I mean, some people can, right? If you cannot do that, then you take one step at a time. Okay, as long as you take one step at a time, eventually all of you will be multi-millionaires. No, sorry, not multi-millionaires. Let's be conservative. Okay, in 2025. As long as you keep moving, keep taking one step at a time. Don't stop. I can assure you, a lot of people have already given up hope on crypto. Trust me. After kena Luna, kena FTX, they have already given up. Don't want to touch crypto. Swear, never touch crypto in their life. Anyway, but look at me, I'm still so positive. Okay. So you guys must be positive, right? So next Sunday, we see, we will see. Okay. And then next Sunday, I will ask those busy bees, whether they entered any trade or not. Okay, for all you know, tomorrow this thing start going up. Right. And then Solana start trading in this channel. Okay. Then we don't trade, right? It didn't meet our condition. It didn't bounce from here, $12. It didn't go down. So the next week we don't trade. Then we wait again. We wait for the following week. We see whether Solana breaks out from $19, okay, or breaks down from $12 to short or to long, okay, or whether it bounced from $12 or bounce back down from $19. So if it bounce from $12, we long from here, all the way here. If it bounce from $19 down, we short from here, all the way here. So we trade week by week, only Solana. For the Busy Bees Club. So who want to join the Busy Bees Club? Please register, type your name here, type B here. Type B in the chat box. Oh, Ellie. Hey, we got so many people. Everybody want to join Busy Bee Club. Sure, not Amiru. You that busy?
So we collect honey, is it?
Huh? Collect honey.
Yeah, collect honey. Busy bee, huh?
Yeah. So again, seriously, trading is very simple. Anyone can do it. All right. Okay. You just trade according to your lifestyle. Wow, cycle, serious. Yeah, guys, seriously, okay, trade according to your lifestyle. If weekly is too tough for you, fortnightly. Right? Even that is difficult for you, then trade monthly lah. So you want to trade monthly, very simple. Don't even need to trade on a daily chart, just concentrate on a weekly chart. Yeah. Trade on a weekly chart. If you want to trade monthly. Yeah, but seriously, I don't think anyone is that busy lah, huh? But just in case, okay, if you're that busy, trade monthly. Right? You trade monthly 1 year, still can trade 12 times. You trade weekly 1 year, still can trade 52 times. And we have already calculated, guys, remember, if your account is $1,000, you just make 10% a week. 1 year later, how much would it be? You compound it. Can someone type in the chat box? Start with $1,000, make 10% a week, compound 1 year later, how much? 140K. Hey, you make more money than some company CEO, no? US some more, right? Hey, you make more money than a lot of CEOs. So to make 10% a week, you don't need to trade futures. Spot also can. Yeah, spot also can. Or trade without leverage. Or maximum 2x leverage. Right, guys, you just start with $1,000. It's possible to make 140K. You must be consistent, make 10% every week. Now, if you start with 10,000, how? 1.4 million. Next year, you're a millionaire. Don't even need to wait until 2025. Kelvin lied. He said 2025. Yeah, 2024, I millionaire already. Yeah. Right. Nobody should tell you when you can become a millionaire, except yourself.
Why 2025?
Huh?
Is it because of the halving?
No, because I estimate that will be the bull market. In fact, I estimate somewhere around 2024, the bull market will start. And also because of the halving. So it all depends on what you guys do now, no, not in 2025. 2025 too late already, though. Right. If you start building let's say, if you start building a portfolio now, right? Assuming you chose the correct coins, okay? So that portfolio should make you at least 20x. That means, in other words, you should aim to build a portfolio of coins that will make you at least 20x. So obviously, your portfolio cannot only consist of Bitcoin and Ethereum, Okay, Bitcoin and Ethereum will not give you 20x . Okay, so you need to have a mixture of other coins, other smaller coins, riskier coins. So you have a mixture. You have Bitcoin that will give you probably 4-5x. Ethereum probably 7-8. Solana probably 10x. And plus others, riskier ones that could probably give you 50x. So average out 20x. That's my aim. So what do you use to build that portfolio? Well, you choose to use your capital. Okay, or you choose to use the profits that you earn from trading to build that portfolio. It means use house money to build. So it's entirely up to you. But no matter what, you need to build a portfolio. That's my strategy. And that is also the strategies of the whales. Okay, so all the busy bees. Next week, Solana, that's all, right? Okay, last one. 11 already, 10:55. Okay, 5 more minutes. Last one with one coin. Come, give me a coin. Hey guys, today's supposed to be live trading. End up motivating you all. Damn sian.
Why you say? You should be motivating also for yourself, ma.
I'm motivated already. Motivate someone, I explode. No, I'm just kidding, all right? Because y'all don't say anything, so I must find something to say. Otherwise, you look at me, I look at you. Very weird. Come on, guys. Serum, good. Thank you, PJ. Serum. PJ, are you trade? Which exchange are you trading on? Kucoin, okay. So I'll go to Kucoin. Oh, Serum is an FTX coin. Serum is an FTX coin.
That means, how come it's still available to trade?
No, Serum is a coin invested by FTX. That's why I say it's an FTX coin. It's not really an FTX coin. So there are a list of coins that FTX invested heavily in. Okay, They are mostly Solana ecosystem coins like Serum, like Solana, of course. Okay, Radium, On, FIDA, PJ. Wait. Oh yeah, here. Hey, PJ. Serum. Yeah. So those coins that are that FTX invested heavily, okay, most likely they need to sell it lah, in order to get money, in order to get cash.
Is there any remote chance that you'll get money back?
I don't know. I don't think so. Most likely no, but then again, you never know what will happen. But most likely no lah.
What if the Temasek decides to bail them out?
You wish lah. You wish. I also wish, I mean, I don't know lah. The other day I was speaking to someone, can't remember who lah. Can't remember who. Right. I mean, it's a good thing that. I mean, it's not a bad idea if the Temasek buy over FTX. But not FTX's debts lah. Okay, if it's able to, if you can buy over FTX instantly, Temasek or Singapore would have an exchange that used to be the world's second largest exchange, with the customer base and all that. Yeah. But then again,
it's the world's biggest exchange.
huh? What?
Currently, the biggest exchange is Binance, is it?
Yeah.
For crypto?
Yeah, crypto. Yeah, but then we don't know what are the skeletons behind FTX. So don't know, right? That's why I said don't and think about it lah. Just concentrate on making back the money that we lost. I don't just can think about making money, the money back that you guys lost, right? Better than thinking of FTX. So when will I get back my money? When will I get back my money? Okay, PJ, what do you want to do? Short it, man, or long?
You don't have stochastic one. You just look purely at candles.
And primary school lines. Straight lines. Okay, no support at all. Jialat at this coin. Okay, wait let me try Binance, see whether it has more data. Also don't have. It have. Ah. Okay, where are you? Support. Oh, jialat this coin. The last support was here. After that, bo liao. Now it's here.
So better not look at it.
Can. If die want to trade, can still trade one. Any chart is tradable. Okay, any coin can be traded. It's just a matter of the time frame. Okay, if daily chart cannot give you enough candlesticks to draw your support and resistance like this, hard to draw, right? The trend line, then you just go to a lower time frame chart and draw lah. Right? So now there's so many candlesticks, you can draw your trend line already, right? So should we long or should we short? Draw trend lines first, then say, and trade according to technical analysis. Okay, once you have your trend line drawn, you know what to do immediately. Okay, so what should we do? All of you experts should be experts already. What should we do? What should we do based on this picture, this drawing, this trend line? So what should we do, guys? Can you help me?
We draw support.
There's no support.
Short.
Wait, first what?
There's no support. Nothing already. The last support was here and serum already broke. All the way here some more. So there's no more support for us to draw. Okay.
Short law, how like Shan say, is it?
I mean,
Oh.
if you want to really go micro, yeah, there's support here lah. 5-minute charts. Yeah, there's a support. I mean, micro lah, go micro view support. There. Okay, so what should we do, ladies and gentlemen?
Wait for it to touch the trend line. The resistance.
And then
Short.
or
Or wait for it to rebound from the support too long.
or
Or wait for this to break this support and short.
yeah, you see, you guys all know. Congratulations. Go to Prami 2. See, you guys know how to trade really, right? It's that simple lah. Breakout, we long, right? Breakdown, we short. Bounce from here, we long. That's it. Or wait for it to bounce, come here, bounce down, we short. Yeah, PJ, that's how to trade. So you ask me whether you go down or not, I don't know. I'll tell you, wait, I'll let you know later. Right? If this breaks down, retest successful, continue downwards, then I tell you, yeah, it'll go down. Okay. Now we don't know. It's hard to tell. Nobody will know. You see. Okay. So that's what technical analysis is all about. It tells us what to do, so that we don't have to guess, we don't have to gamble. Okay. If you want, you can even trade a channel. Okay, for the scalpers, people, I don't know. Some of you may like to scalp. You know, scalpers, that means they go in and out very fast. Scalp. Can you see the channel, guys? Horizontal channel. Yes, no?
Yes.
Yeah, you can see. If you go to the 1 minute chart, if you want to be a scalper, right? Suddenly nothing to do, you feel free, nothing to do. Yeah, play. Then trade lah. Trade on 1 minute chart, just play a fool. But please don't use a lot of money. I say play a fool only. If you win $1 or what, just play scalping. You can also scalp. Okay, technical analysis works on any time frame. And the principles are the same. This thing come down. Look at stochastic. Okay, if this thing comes down, stochastic is at the bottom, wait for it to come up, long. Okay, in the middle, don't do anything. Simple rules. You trade with a set of rules. My rule is must come down here, okay, bounce, stochastic at the bottom, come up to the blue zone, then I open a long position. Right. So when do I sell? Here, when it comes back, when it comes here, okay, I will sell. Okay, then if it comes back down, well, the stochastic must come down, then I open a short position. Then when will I exit? When it comes down here, lah. So you plan ahead. You get what I mean? You just based on what you see here, you just plan ahead. So like this, you don't feel confused, you are not flustered. Okay, you're prepared, you know. And this is on 1 minute chart, so things will move very fast. You don't need to wait very long. Okay, right? You can just rub your hands, wait, you know. You can wait to press the button buy or wait, you know, long or short. Because you already have your rules in place. Okay, you can even key in the order first in let's say in Coolcoin, but just don't press the button. Yeah, right. So anything can be traded.
Can we put buy stop order? We put buy stop order, then it will wait at the support and go in.
No, who's that? Connie. You know, buy stop order for what? What is buy stop order used for? Hello. Huh?
Sorry, I mixed up.
Exit.
Limit order. Buy stop order
yeah.
for trading breakouts.
What is buy stop order for already?
Buy stop order is for trading breakouts.
Okay.
And also used as a stop loss for shorting.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, you can put buy limit orders here. But you're trading on 1 minute, no need buy limit orders. You can stare at it. It's a 1 minute chart. Okay, right. But trade, I mean, if you really want to trade just for fun only, just play only. Don't trade seriously on 1 minute charts. Right. I didn't teach you how to trade on 1 minute charts. Okay, so yeah. So PJ, that's what I would do. Are you still there? Are you still here? PJ, are you still here? PJ not here anymore. Right.
He just replied you.
Oh. PJ, do you have a microphone? Sorry, chat box, I close it. Oh, might spoil, yeah. Okay. Yeah, PJ, that's how I would trade serum. Okay. Okay. I would prefer to wait for it to break out, retest, then I go in. Okay. Right. Because it could be a fake out. So a safer entry will be wait for retest. And if the retest is successful, yeah, it will continue to go down. Right.
Kevin, where do you take profit in this case since there's no like value?
Then you got to decide already lah, where you want to take profit. Really got nothing to to measure. Right. So I mean, you have to decide lah, where you want to take profit, or at how many percent you want to take profit. Okay. But I'll be taking profit a little bit, a bit by bit on the way down lah.
Okay, moving the stop loss.
This is an FTX coin, so there's a possibility you'll go all the way to $1 or below. Okay, there's a possibility lah, not guaranteed, right? It has gone down. Let's see how much has it dropped. Okay, 45%. I would take profit at around the 70% mark, which is 13, around 10 cents, no, 13 cents, 10 cents, around 10 cents.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Okay, but in this case, I would use a Fibonacci to find my support and resistance. First level over here lah. 0.157. That would be my TP1. TP2 will be around $1. Sorry, 10 cents. Then followed by that's zero already. No need to follow. This will be my TP1. If I short, so that would be about 30%. 1.168, 0.157. Then my TP2 would be about 13 cents around this one. Yeah. Around 13 cents or 10 cents to 13 cents. Then after that, I will let the rest run.
Okay, thanks, Kevin. But just want to check if it goes to zero, do we still have the profits?
Huh?
If it's short, if the things just go to zero, you still make a lot, or how does it work?
Maximum you make is 99%.
Okay. Right.
99.99999%. That's the maximum you can make for shorting. Because the lowest the price can go is zero, right? It's not infinity. Longing is different. Longing is infinity. The price can go as high as God knows where. So there's a limit to how much you can make if you're shorting, and that is 99.99%.
Means from where? Which value?
Well, we have to see from here.
Okay, from there all the way, maximum is 99.999%. Is it from where you start? I mean, where's the entry?
Yep. From here all the way to 0. Yeah, 100%, 99.999. You can't go below 0, right?
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
You see, so even if you were to short at 40 cents, right? It goes to 0, you will still make 99.99%. You can't go more than that.
Okay.
Even short from here all the way up here, all the way to 0, is still 99%. So shorting, that's the maximum you can make. Not okay, 100% now, right? That's the maximum.
Okay. What about with leverage?
With leverage, then you multiply by the leverage. No?
Multiply by
percent
the
times 20, that would be 2,000, 2,000%.
Right.
You know,
Okay.
100 times 20, yeah, 2,000%.
Right. Wow. Okay. Okay.
Yes. Wow. So want to try? Anybody? $100 times 20, $100 times 20 is $2,000. Put in 100, maybe can make 2,000.
Let's
Right.
go.
Let's go. Who said that?
Connie.
I thought you are busy bee. You're the busy bee club.
No, my problem is I am not used to the mobile one and also this thing. I used to do the 1 minute thing.
What 1 minute thing?
1 minute, your scalping.
You trade on a 1 minute chart?
Yeah.
Serious? Ah?
Yeah.
Where did you learn?
Anyhow do.
Oh, so do you make or do you lose?
Both have lor.
So lose more or make more?
Probably more. What like got odds lah.
Hey, 1 minute chart scalping is supposed to be for experts now.
Really?
Again, you serious? I don't even trade on 1 minute chart. You so daring. No lah, it's 1 minute chart. Seriously, I'm not kidding. It's for scalpers. It's for people who know how to trade. It's for really, really experienced traders. I mean, even experienced traders also don't trade 1 minute chart most of the time.
Because that time the mask just listed, right? No information, only have 1 minute. So it was since then.
I mean, okay, that's not the way to trade now. Okay, trade the proper way. Okay, go forward. Go to 1 hour. Start here. Okay, start here. All right. It's definitely bearish, all right, PJ. Okay, the MACD is showing bearishness. It's definitely going down. Just that we want to wait for the right entry, confirmation. Okay. I will wait for it to break down. Okay. So if you are the risk taker, okay, you can put maybe probably 50% here. And then the other rest of your capital, you put it here. If it retraces lah, if it retests and then succeed. Okay. Right. If it's a fake out, then you only risk that 50%. Okay, multiply by whatever stop loss, wherever your stop loss is. Okay. If the thing just goes down and doesn't retest, at least you have 50% of your position in that trade. You'll be in very good profit still. Okay, right. If it breaks, if it comes back, retest. Okay, if it fails, if it goes back up, same thing, you only lose that 50%, multiply by your stop loss. Okay, if it comes back, retest successful, you put the other 50% there, then you have a full 100% position in this trade. And this is a stronger confirmation. If there's the retest is successful, it's a stronger confirmation that a stronger signal, okay, that the price will go down. Okay, it's moving down. Going to break out.
Mm.
DJ, are you in already? Put in a starter.
Feel very powerless.
Huh, what?
Feel very powerless with the Kucoin.
Yeah, don't worry. Okay, yeah, sooner or later we'll get used to it. You see, guys, that's why I say you need to plan ahead. Right, just earlier when I was talking, you know, you could have already placed your, key in the numbers in Coolcoin. Once it breaks down, you just all you need to do is press sell. That's it. Yeah, that's the purpose of planning ahead. Right, you had all the time to plan, right? When I was talking. Okay, all right, that's the way you all trade. Okay, right? Plan ahead. Have something, write down a piece of paper what you intend to do. Okay, if these things break down, you know, where am I going to place my entry? So key in everything into the exchange first, and then wait. Okay, once the thing goes according to your plan, then just press. Okay, done. Enter. So once you enter already, you can take your time to set your stop loss and your take profit. So after that, after everything is set, go to sleep. Okay, so stop loss where? So you can put here at the tip of the candle. This is a tight stop loss. You can put here on top of this support. Sorry, this resistance, or you can put here. This one, no, here lah. Okay, make this slightly higher. Yeah. So stop loss here, here, or here. See, now making a little bit money already. So I don't want to sleep now. Jialat, supposed to end. Now everyone looking at serum.
Hey, how you know?
Because that's what I'm doing. Right, you know, see, all now looking at serum, don't want to go off. Tomorrow morning, see, BJ, gone already, run already. Okay, lah, sleep already, lah, okay? I mean, I hope you all have some ideas now. That's how you should trade in the future.
No need to set profit, was it stop loss?
No, must set stop loss. Why don't know? What do you mean no need to set stop loss?
Okay.
Who teach you? No, every trade must have stop loss. Okay, please make it a habit. Actually, this is a very rare case, no? When something breaks down, normally, the stochastic is at the bottom one. Because when prices come down, stochastic is normally like it will be coming down, right? So these are rare cases when there's a breakdown, the stochastic is up. Okay, which means if the stochastic plays out, it goes up, curve down, this thing will just zoom down. So next time, when you see something like this, okay, go ahead and enter. Okay. Go ahead and enter. There's a very high chance if this thing comes down, this thing will just zoom all the way down. Then check on lower time frames. If a lower time frame is also showing you the same thing, 30 minutes chart is already dipping into the blue zone. So very likely this thing will go down. Okay, and plus it is still very far away from the zero line. If you look at the MACD, it's so far away. That means that means the chances of it staying in a bearish momentum, okay, is higher than the chance of it coming back up to a bullish momentum. Okay, if the MACD is very near the zero line, then it's hard to say lah. Okay, anytime it can come up, anytime it can be turn bullish. Okay, but now it will still take quite some time for it to turn bullish, which means the price most likely will go down. Will continue to go down. Okay, how far I don't know, right? Plus, if you look at the histogram, normally after the dark green bars, okay. Sorry, after light green bars start to appear, okay, what follows next will be the dark blue bars, okay, which means strong bullish momentum, bearish momentum. Okay. So the bullish momentum is over already. Now the bullish momentum is weakening. Plus this is at the bottom. Plus this is coming down. 3 minutes chart. Okay.
Just now the chart is blur. Is it because it's time for me to sleep or?
Your eye blur.
Probably, I have no idea.
Your computer is blur or? Okay.
Blur meh? I don't know.
Just now blur.
Did it?
Yeah, like now also is blur.
Huh. What about the rest? Is it blur?
Whole night.
Okay lah, sleep already lah. 11:30 already. Don't look at the serum anymore. If you want to continue look, you can look.
Don't look at serum, but apply serum onto our face.
Okay, guys, let's call it a night. Huh? The busy bees, remember your objective next week is just to trade Solana. Okay. Good night.
Good night.
Good sleep.
Okay, good night. Good night. Thanks, Kevin. Good night, everyone.
Thanks, Kevin. Good night.
Good night.